What's going on, everyone? So today we're going over AVANTIS because AVANTIS has hit one target and now we're waiting for the next target. I'm going to talk about that today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So as you can see, AVANTIS is currently at 49 cents. Now, that is literally 17.9% down in the last 24 hours. Let it sink in. That is crazy. 43% down for the last 7 days, 58% in the last 14 days, 47% in the last 30 days. You know, some people thought that I was crazy for making this prediction that AVANTIS would be going this low. But I'm telling you guys, like, you know, the market's being manipulated right now. Literally, like, it's being manipulated so hard right now. You guys got to stay strong. They are trying to pull prices down to the lowest points that they possibly can so they can load up. And when I say they, I mean institutional investors, big banks, all these big giant whales. They're trying to pull the prices down as much as possible, and they're doing it and they're succeeding in it. So you have to be careful. Everything is down. Bitcoin at 105K. Literally all the prices are down. Like, everything's at a huge major discount. This is when people should be scooping up crypto left and right. This is what the institutional investors, the whales, are doing. So when you see these prices, yes, it could go down a little bit more, but it's still good to dollar cost average, you know, just in case it just randomly takes off. So let's say now, let's say you got $1,000, put 1,000 or put 100 in now, let it go down to 47 cents, put 100 in, let it go down here to 40 cents, put 100 in. Maybe it goes down to 35, 100, maybe it goes to 31, 100, 28 cents, 100. You see what I'm saying? You got to dollar cost average in at these low levels. You don't need to go all in at one level, right? You can, you know, strategically do it. If the price starts to jump, you can start to buy a little bit up here too, but you can strategically get into your position. You don't have to get into it all at once. Strategically do it, right? But anyways, this is pretty bad. We're going to see this go a little bit lower. Guys, I set this price target down here, 28 cents. It may or may not hit 28 cents. That's why I'm telling you guys, start accumulating now. We want to see it at 28 cents. That's the perfect buying point, but you can't always get in at the perfect point. Start buying a little bit now, and then once it starts getting lower, buy a little bit, then buy a little bit more. But for right now, anywhere between 50 cents and 28 cents is a good buy zone. Anywhere between 50 cents and 28 cents, I'm seeing as a good buy zone. Now, can it go lower and create new lows? Yes, anything can. But at that point, AVANTIS has garnered such a huge community around it. Seeing AVANTIS at like a $50 million market cap, people are going to eat that up. So when it gets down to like around 28 cents, it's going to be like a $50 market cap or $50 million market cap, guys. Like, people are going to eat this up. Now, I will say, we are getting buy signals, okay? First of all, we have the %R trend exhaustion. Now, the %R trend exhaustion, the white line is the short-term trend up here. And this line right here is the long-term trend. Once we get these blue bars here on the side, once it starts to show that blue up arrow, that is a signal to buy. But sometimes we get the false ones, right? Like this one right here. It was a false buy signal. And that was this right here. And it did go up, but then, so it wasn't technically false, because anyone that bought from here went from 49 cents immediately up to 69 cents. Like, that was a pretty fast move. So you can make a lot of money. And even doing something like right now, like let's say you got in at 40 cents and then it came up to 53 and then kept going down. You're still making money on the upside. So you just got to look at it like that. But still a good buy zone. Again, I think that we could have a little bit more to go down, but we don't have much more left. And this is the MACD, a little bit of selling pressure right there on this 4-hour chart on the MACD. But other than that, AVANTIS is good. I'm going to keep you guys updated. We should be coming down to 40 cents soon. And then if it breaks that, we're looking for 28 cents. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on this. Again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely become a member of the channel, guys. If you want me to go over any specific project, I'll go over that for you. Just let me know, and I'll go over it for you. I'll do a full analysis on it. I'll do a full breakdown. It's only $9.99 per month. So you'll probably make that money back in the first month. So definitely go ahead and do that. And we'll also start to do members only live streams as well. So shout out to all the members out there. And yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.